TxDOT crews are working to keep our roads safe during this winter weather. Kellen Mormon, Public Information Officer for TxDOT, is joining us live to talk about the work they're doing. Kellen, thank you for being with us.
Thank you for having me. Appreciate the time.
You know, I was out driving this afternoon and saw crews retreating some bridges in our area. Are those crews still out even now?
So we have seen conditions improve this afternoon thanks to some warmer temperatures and sunshine, but many of our roadways are dry and have minimal moisture. But having said that, with temperatures anticipated to drop again tonight, our crews are still monitoring and will be on standby overnight.
Yeah, and so are they experiencing any challenges as they're out trying to treat these roads and as they are on, driving around monitoring conditions?
Well, things are looking pretty good right now. We still want drivers to be cautious and consider delaying travel if possible. Even with the improvements that we're seeing and continued treatment, there might still be some icy patches present, especially as temperatures start to drop again tonight. So we're still advising drivers, if you're traveling, check drivetexas.org for the latest on conditions and closures.
Yeah. Will they be treating, do you anticipate that they will treat roads again? I mean, obviously right now we kind of have a sweet spot, right? The roads are dry, but things could refreeze overnight.
Yeah, so any places that still have some moisture may refreeze. So that's why our crews are still monitoring. You still might see them out there, and they'll still be treating as needed and be on standby overnight to do the same.
Okay. You know, I want to ask you, after the 2021 winter storm, TxDOT purchased some snow plows. They were not readily available all across the state. Obviously, we did not have a lot of snow here this time around, but are those things ready to go as we continue to see, this winter season play out?
Yes, they are. So we have 5 snow plows in the Austin district, and we also have blades, motor graders that are used to remove snow as well. And we're prepared to use them as needed throughout this season.
Okay. Any tips for drivers as they consider getting out? Obviously we told people to stay home and they largely did that, this morning. What about tomorrow? Any tips for folks?
So cold weather can still be hazardous, and we're expecting some very cold temperatures tonight and through tomorrow morning. We recommend that drivers pack an emergency kit with things like blankets, snacks, and water, and that they check their vehicle over. Check those lights, tires, fluids, and wipers. Make sure everything is good before you get on the road. And if you get stuck, you can call 911 or call Hero. Hero operates on most of our roadways in the Austin area, and that number is 512-974-HERO.
All right. Kellen Mormon, spokesperson for TxDOT, we thank you so much for taking some time out to talk with us today.
Thank you so much. Appreciate it.